extension reflex is a contralateral reflex, meaning the reflex occurs on the opposite side of the stimulus. For example, when Jimmy steps on a tack with his left foot, the left side of his body will flex the left foot in the air while the right side takes on the weight of the body and extends downward. The left side of the body where the stimulus occurred is the ipsilateral, meaning that the reflex and stimulus occurred on the same side of the body. When Jimmy steps on the tack, the left leg will pull up using the flexor muscles, meaning it decreases in angle. The right leg uses extensor muscles, which increase in angle as it extends downward. When Jimmy steps on the tack, a pain receptor receives the stimulus, causing the action potential to travel down an axon of a neuron. From there, dorsal root, ganglion, which are clusters of nerve bodies in the dorsal root, carry the signal into the spinal cord. These pseudopolar somatic sensory neurons, which are neurons split into two branches, carry a signal to the spinal cord, where they can synapse with motor neurons. A motor neuron is used to send signals to cause movement. These motor neurons are found in the ventral root, which is found in the gray area of the spinal cord. Cross-extension reflex is a polysynaptic reflex because it involves two or more synapses in the central nervous system. Different signals are sent to both the left and the right leg, causing one to pull up while the other to pull down. When the left leg lifts up, the right leg must hold the weight of the body, which is an antagonistic process. Cross-extension reflex is considered a reverberation, because during the flex-withdrawal portion, the branches of the axons reach back toward the impulse and further stimulate the presynaptic neurons. These neurons are also inhibitory, which means they can locally regulate the actions of excitatory neurons, which increase the probability of an action potential occurring locally and long range. Cross-extension reflex also include intraneuron, which forms a connection between two neurons and allows for important information to be transmitted. Cross-extension reflex is an example of positive feedback because when the stimulus occurs and the leg lifts up, everything keeps occurring in the following processes until the pain stimulus is gone.